And actually, looks are not even the main thing about sex. Like, looks is one thing about being sexy, but there are other things. And I think even more important than looks is sound. Sound. And when a person is having sex, they basically always they make a sound. And if the person happens to be a woman, the sound that they make is excellent. It's very sexy, very nice, like lovely. It's the sex sound of a lady. You must have heard it somewhere. It's so great. It's like I can't impersonate it, but I can try. I'll try this a little bit. It's so hard. It's like. Something like that. It's really good. Something pretty close, something like it. Because, like, if you compare it to the sound that men make when men are having sex, it's not that like the sound that we men make when having sex is almost exactly about the same sound that we make, for example, when we find out that we have got too much email. Or like the sound that when we find out that the lunch buffet is out of sausages. Or if you really get into it, like the sound of a fat guy trying to put a sock on. So if you're listening behind the door and you hear those sounds, you don't think that, ooh, there is sex going on. You think email and socks.